Chapter 7. Let's code Scratch.jr. Insight points. In this chapter, you will learn starting Scratch.jr, components of Scratch.jr, different blocks of Scratch.jr, my first code, moving the sprite repeatedly, adding a new background, removing the existing sprite, adding a new sprite, resizing or shrinking the sprite. Let's make a sprite to say, children, computers aren't very smart. Sure, you can play games, do homework, but if you ask a computer to draw a picture of a bird for you, would it? No, ma'am. Children, a computer would have no idea about what we are saying. Because a computer cannot think by itself and you cannot talk to it like a person. It only understands a programming language and the code written in this language. Oh, really? So, can I talk to the computer using this language? Will it reply? No, dear. You have to give them instructions in special computer languages that computers can understand. Today I will teach you a special program called Scratch.jr. Okay, ma'am. Scratch.jr is a computer program used to create animated stories and games. Scratch.jr एक कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम है जिसका उपयोग एनिमेटेड कहानियां और गेम्स बनाने के लिए किया जाता है. It is the easiest block-based programming language. यह सबसे सरल ब्लॉक आधारित प्रोग्रामिंग भाषा है. It is a coding platform where you can put blocks together to create a code. जहां आप कोड बनाने के लिए ब्लॉक्स को एक साथ जोड़ सकते हैं. Starting Scratch.jr. To start Scratch.jr, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Click on All apps. 3. Click on the Scratch.jr open source communication folder. 4. Select Scratch.jr. 5. The screen given alongside appears. Click on the Home button. 6. Now, click on the plus sign to start a new project. The first window of Scratch.jr will appear as given below. Home button. Green flag. Add new sprite. Sprite. Stage. Blocks category. Programming coding area. Components of Scratch.jr. The various components of Scratch.jr are as follows. Home button. It is used to save the project and return to the home page. प्रोजेक्ट को सेव करने और होम पेज पर लौटने के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है. Sprite. It is the main character that performs actions on the stage. यह मुख्य पात्र होता है जो स्टेज पर एक्शन करता है. Stage. It is the main area where characters move and perform actions. वह मुख्य क्षेत्र जहां पात्र एक्शन करते हैं. Programming area coding area. It is the bottom area of the Scratch.jr window where you connect block together to create a script. यह Scratch.jr विंडो के निचले हिस्से में होता है जहां आप ब्लॉक्स को जोड़कर स्क्रिप्ट बनाते हैं. Block category. It is the menu of the programming blocks where you can select a category of blocks. यह प्रोग्रामिंग ब्लॉक्स का मेनू होता है जहां से आप विभिन्न प्रकार के ब्लॉक्स चुन सकते हैं. Blocks palette. It holds the different types of blocks that you can drag and drop into the coding area. इसमें विभिन्न प्रकार के ब्लॉक्स होते हैं जिन्हें आप कोडिंग एरिया में खींच और छोड़ सकते हैं. Green flag. It is used to run or play a Scratch.jr project. इसका उपयोग Scratch.jr प्रोजेक्ट को चलाने के लिए किया जाता है. Background. It is used to add a new background. एक नया बैकग्राउंड जोड़ने के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है. Add new sprite. It is used to add a new sprite. Reset Sprite button. It resets all the sprites to their starting position on the stage. यह सभी sprites को उनकी प्रारंभिक स्थिति में रीसेट करता है. Different blocks in Scratcher. The different blocks that you see in the block categories are as follows. 1. Triggering blocks, yellow in color. These blocks are used to start an action. पीले रंग के एक्शन शुरू करने के लिए उपयोग किए जाते हैं. 2. Motion blocks, blue in color. These blocks are used to make a sprite move on the stage. 3. Looks blocks, purple in color. These blocks are used to change the look of the sprite. You can make a sprite say something, resize or reset the size of the sprite, and hide or show the sprite using these blocks. आप स्प्राइट को कुछ कहने, उसका आकार बदलने या उसे छिपाने दिखाने के लिए इन ब्लॉक्स का उपयोग कर सकते हैं. 4. Sound blocks, green in color. These blocks are used to add sounds to the project. You can also record your own voice and use it in your project. You just need a microphone attached to your computer. 5. Control blocks, orange in color. These blocks are used to control the flow of the script. 6. End blocks, red in color. These blocks are used for ending a script, changing the specified page of the project, and running a script repeatedly. My first code. Let us create a code to move the sprite. To do so, follow these steps. 1. Drag and drop the Move UP block in the coding area. 2. Now, click on the number written in the Move UP block and change its value by 5. 3. Click on the script to execute it. The sprite moves 5 steps up on the stage, moving the sprite repeatedly. To move the sprite repeatedly, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Motion Blocks category. 2. Drag and drop the Move Right block in the coding area. 3. Click on the End Blocks category. 4. Drag and drop the Repeat Forever block in the coding area. 5. Snap it with the Move Right block. This block repeats the script over and over. 6. Click on the Triggering Blocks category. 7. Drag and drop the Start on Green Flag block and snap it before the Motion block. This will allow you to start or execute your script using the green flag button. Adding a new background. To add the new background, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Background button to add a new background. The screen given alongside appears. 2. Select the background of your choice. 3. Click on the tick sign to add the selected background. Removing the existing sprite. To remove the existing sprite, follow these steps. 1. Bring the pointer on the default sprite. Press the left mouse button and hold it. 2. A red cross sign appears on the sprite. Click on it to remove the default sprite. Adding a new sprite. You can change a character as per your choice. To do so, follow these steps. 1. To add a new sprite, click on the plus sign in the left pane. The screen given alongside appears. 2. Select the sprite, Astronaut, and click on the tick sign to add it. Resizing or shrinking the sprite. To resize the sprite, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Looks Blocks category. 2. Drag and drop the Shrink block in the coding area. 3. Click on the block multiple times to shrink it as per your requirement. 4. Select the Shrink block and drag it out of the coding area. To reset it to the actual size, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Looks Blocks category. 2. Drag and drop the reset size block in the coding area. 3. Click on the block to reset it to its actual size. Let's make a sprite to say. To make the sprite say hello, follow these steps. 1. Click on the looks blocks in the block palette. 2. Now, drag the say block from the blocks category to the coding area. 3. Click on the say block and the message will be displayed in a speech bubble on the stage.